3 million people will suffer a heart attack this year in the United States. A heart attack occurs when plaque, a waxy-like substance made up of cholesterol, fat, and calcium, along with other substances, build up in the arteries, reducing the circulation of blood to the heart. Once an artery becomes clogged, a heart attack will occur. The severity of a heart attack is determined by the location of the blockage and the duration. In a mild heart attack, little to no muscle dies and functions normally after full recovery because scar tissue replaces that muscle. Recovery is expected within weeks. However, in a massive heart attack, a large area of the muscle dies, and because of this, full recovery is not expected. And because the heart is not as strong as it once was, organs start to fail because oxygen is not delivered effectively. Fluid starts to accumulate in the lungs and body tissue, which causes the conduction system to become dysfunctional, leading to an irregular heartbeat, also known as arrhythmia. Arrhythmia is an illness that will lead to cardiac arrest, which will potentially lead to death. The symptoms of a heart attack are different for everybody. Not everybody experiences the same symptoms, but they do include breaking out in a cold sweat, chest discomfort, whether it's pressure or squeezing pain in the center of the chest, spreading to the shoulder, neck, or jaw. And dizziness is also a symptom, as well as nausea. Shortness of breath, which may or may not include or occur with chest discomfort. To prevent a heart attack, it is very important that you follow a healthy diet, that you incorporate more vegetables and fruits, that you avoid fatty foods, and that you reduce the sodium intake. And you can do this by using herbs and spices instead of salt when you cook. It is also suggested to practice regular activity. 30 minutes a day is what's recommended. It is recommended not to smoke. So if you smoke, stop. If you don't start. In maintaining a healthy weight, it's very important because people that do not have a healthy weight are more likely to suffer a heart attack than those that do. Early diagnosis of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and diabetes can prevent a heart attack. It is very important to get diagnosed and start treatment as soon as possible. It is very important that we keep our heart healthy. It is one of the strongest muscles in our body, and it is essential to us because without it, we wouldn't be alive.